Laws of exponents. The law of multiplication. The first law we want to look at is the law of multiplication. If you have a question in the form a to the exponent 3 times a to the exponent 5, notice that the base is the same. The base is a. So the rule is, if the base is the same, you add the exponents. This means that a is the same base, so we will add 3 plus 5, and the answer is a to the exponent 8. You are now ready to use your calculator to find the answer. Here is an example. If we use the number 2 as the base, we will have 2 to the exponent 8. So on our calculator, press 2, press the exponent button, press 8, press enter, and you will have the answer 256. Put me on pause and try it. The law of division. The second law you want to be able to use is called the law of division. A to the exponent 5 divide by a to the exponent 3. Notice the base a is the same for the numerator and the denominator. The rule is, if the base is the same, subtract the exponents. For this, we will get a to the exponent 5 divide by a to the exponent 3. The base is the same, a, so we subtract the exponents. 5 minus 3, the result, a to the exponent 2. Or we say a squared. Now use your calculator to find the answer. So we will substitute the number 2 for a. 2 to the exponent 5 minus 3 is equal to the exponent 2, which gives us 4. On your calculator, press 2, the exponent button, press 2, press enter, voila, 4. The power law. The third law you want to look at is the power law of exponents. If you have a question in the form a to the exponent 4 all to the exponent 5, notice the exponent is inside and outside the bracket. The rule, if the exponent is inside the bracket and outside the bracket, multiply these exponent values together. This means 4 times 5 will be multiplied to get 20. So the result of a to the exponent 4 all to the exponent 5 is a 4 times 5, a to the 20. Now use your calculator. 2 to the exponent 4 to the exponent 5 is 2 to the exponent 4 times 5, 2 to the exponent 20, which is 1048576. On your calculator, let's verify if I'm right. Press 2, the exponent button, press 20, press enter. Oh, we get the same answer. Well done. Negative exponents. The next law is how to work with a negative exponent. If you have a question in the form a to the exponent -4, notice the exponent is now a negative value. What do we do? The rule, the negative sign means the inverse. So what do we say? Since the exponent is a negative value, use the reciprocal value of the base raised to the positive exponent. This means that a to the exponent -4 will equal 1 divided by a to the positive 4. Now you are ready to use your calculator to find the answer. For our example, 2 to the exponent -4 is 1 divided by 2 to the 4, which is 1 divided by 16, and we will leave our answer in fraction form. On your calculator, press the exponent button. Now realize we are only going to do the denominator because we know the numerator is 1. Press 4. Press enter, and we will get 16. So our answer is 1 divided by 16. Zero exponents. The next law is how to calculate a zero exponent. If you have a question in the form a to the exponent 0, notice the exponent is 0. The rule is any base with an exponent 0 has a value of 1. This means that regardless of the base, if the exponent is 0, the answer is 1. A to the exponent 0 is 1. No calculator needed for this. 4 to the exponent 0 is 1. Regardless of the base, if the exponent is 0, the answer is 1. Rational exponents. When you write a number in the form a to the exponent 2, you are using an exponent. A is called the base, 2 is called the exponent. When the exponent is a fraction, it is called a rational exponent. Here is an example, a to the exponent 1/2. But what does a rational exponent do? The denominator of the exponent represents which root value would be applied to the base value. This means that a to the exponent 1/2 means the square root of a. Square root because the base is a and the denominator of the fraction is 2. Here is an example. 49 to the exponent 1/2 means the second root of 49, which we all know is the square root, which is 7. But what happens if the numerator is a number other than 1? Here we have a to the exponent 2 divided by 3. In this example, it means to take the third root of a, get the answer, and then square it. Here is an example. 64 to the exponent 2 divided by 3 is equal to the cube root, or the third root of 64 squared. So the cube root, or the third root of 64 is 4. 4 squared is 16. Now you've covered the laws of exponents. Let's look at how to solve exponential equations. coming up in the next video.